Hi, I'm Jim Boudet from Austin, Texas in the USA. This lesson is for Week 5 of the Coursera course, Introduction to Music Production. In this video, I will demonstrate how to configure an EQ plugin in GarageBand to function similar to a mixing console EQ section. In this slide, we see a channel strip from a Soundcraft Compact 10 mixer, as well as a graph showing the performance of the EQ section. The channel strip contains high, mid, and low EQ controls, as well as a high-pass filter switch. First, we have a high-pass filter with a cutoff frequency at 80 Hz and a slope of 12 dB per octave. Then we have two shelving filters. The high shelving filter has a cutoff frequency at 12 kHz with a boost or cut of 12 dB. The low shelving filter has a cutoff frequency at 60 Hz, also with a boost or cut of 12 dB. Finally, we have a parametric mid filter with a cutoff frequency fixed at 600 Hz and a gain of plus or minus 12 dB. Let's go to GarageBand, where I've loaded a loop that we'll use to play through the EQ. Each track in GarageBand includes a visual EQ plugin that we're going to configure to operate similar to the console's EQ section. This plugin has 4 bands, a high shelving filter, a low shelving filter, and 2 parametric EQs. We're only going to need 3 of these bands. We'll set the cutoff frequency of the low shelving filter to 60 Hz, the cutoff frequency of one of the parametric mid filters to 600 Hz, and the cutoff frequency of the high shelving filter to 12 kHz. To match the console EQ section, we'll limit the gain of each of these filters to plus or minus 12 dB. But for now, let's set the gain to 0 dB and save this as a preset. The Visual EQ plugin doesn't include a high-pass filter, so we'll use another plugin for this. Let's set the cutoff frequency of the high-pass filter to 80 Hz and a resonance of 0 dB. And save this setting as a preset. Let's listen to the track as we adjust the EQ. I don't hear much, if any, difference in the audio when the high-pass filter is enabled. This implies that there isn't very much energy in the frequencies below 80 Hz. Let's reduce the gain of the low shelf filter to flatten out the bass levels. And increase the gain of the high shelf filter to accent the shaker. And increase the mid parametric filter so that we can clearly hear the acoustic guitar and piano. This concludes my demonstration using GarageBand plugins to simulate the EQ section of the Soundcraft Compact 10 mixer. I hope that this video successfully demonstrated the effective use of EQ plugins in a DAW, as well as showed some of the capabilities of GarageBand. Thanks for watching.